Here today I'm making another video, and I am going to be starring my cat. My cat's gonna be in this, so yeah. Oh, yeah, my cat's in this. She's feral, so beware. I'm gonna go get her, and we will be right back. Shay taught me that. See, look at her. Yeah. She's calm. Shay taught me this. Shay taught me this. All right. Look, kitty. Guys, I have my cat here. It's okay. Girl, it's fine. Girl. Oh. She doesn't want to be in the video. Let's give her some love, okay? Kitty, yeah. So easy. Let's give you some love. Let's give my kitty some love. There she is. She's cute. And today, we are going to be doing this. My cat is going to be in it. There she is. Kitty, say hi. Over here is Philly. It's my door right here. This is my little kitty. Say hi, Snowball. Her name's Snowball. I named her Original. That's my kitty. Sorry if I'm sniffing. Or coughing. And there she is. My little kitty. Kitty, say hi. Say hi. Hey. Toots. Say hi. Say hi. 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 Say that. She's shy, I guess. Kitty, say hi. My kitty's lovable when she wants to be. Oh, kitty. Don't do that. So she's kind of always like this. As you could tell. She does. want to create a video. Snowball, see? It's your vlog. Look. You're the first one in my vlog. Say hi. You. Wow. She's kind of what she wants to be. Anyway, that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, then leave a like for my cat. Alright, you want to leave? Huh? Okay, guys, you want to leave? Yeah. Bye-bye. I love her anyways. Anyway, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.